Hello everyone. So in this video we will be learning about distance formula and we will be solving few questions based on that and exercise 7.1 of Ncert mathematics. Okay, so let's start with distance formula. Distance formula is used to find the distance between two points whose coordinates are given. Okay, or if the distance between 2 points is given and a coordinate of one point is given, then we can find the coordinate of other point with the help of distance formula. Okay, so what is this formula and how this formula is derived, we will see now. Okay, so let's consider this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, consider 2 points are given. Both the points are one point is P and another point is Q. Okay, let the coordinate of point P is x1 comma y1 and coordinate of point Q is x2 comma y2. Okay, so we have to find the distance PQ. Okay, so how we will find the distance PQ? So see here, coordinate of P is how much? x1 comma y1. What does it means? It means this distance is how much? x1 and this distance is how much? y1. Okay, same way coordinates of point Q is how much? x2 comma y2. So what does it mean? It means this distance is x2 and this distance is how much? y2. Draw a straight line from point P which is meeting this line at, let it is M. Let it is M. Okay, now see here, so this distance is y2 and this distance is y1. So this distance will be how much? y2 minus y1. So your QM is how much? y2 minus y1. Why? Because this total distance is how much? y2 and this is y1, so this will also be y1. So y2 minus y1 will give you QM. Okay, now see, this complete distance is x2, so this distance will also be x2. Now this is x1, so this will be how much? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 will give you PM. So this will be your x2 minus x1, that is nothing but PM equals to x2 minus x1. Okay, now see here, PQ is hypotenuse of this PMQ triangle. PMQ is a right angle triangle at M. So PQ is hypotenuse, PM is base and QM is perpendicular. So from Pythagoras theorem, PQ hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square, that is PQ square equals to PM square plus QM square. Okay, so PQ will be equal to under root of PM square plus QM square, that is nothing but under root of x2. PM is how much? x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Why? Because QM is how much? y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 whole square. This is nothing but your PQ, and this formula only is called distance formula. Okay, so this is nothing but distance formula. Okay, so if we are knowing x1, x2, y1, y2, then we can find the distance between two given points. Okay, so let's solve few questions based on this. One more thing, this derivation is very important. So in exams they can ask you the derivation of this distance formula. Okay, so better you remember it. So we'll solve few example questions from NCERT book based on this formula, and then we will proceed to the exercise problem.